Hey guys, welcome back. So lots of rain. Thought I would just show you guys this quick video. I am on Molynes Road heading to the direction of Halfway Tree, and it's some crazy rain, but it's just a reminder of the poor drainage that we have in Jamaica on most of the roads, if not all. You know, I've passed bikes and cars broken down, you know, because they can't manage the water, you know. But it's just a quick video. You know, Roshain Reviews always showing you guys what's happening. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss, you know, quick videos like this one. Remember to leave your comment, guys, in terms of what you think about, you know, the drainage on the roads, because that's one of the main things I'm highlighting. You know, the rain have been falling for about, say, an hour, and most of the roads is impassable. You know, some cars have to park. And again, this is a central road. This is Molynes Road. Very central. So leave a comment, guy. I'm sure it's not the first we're seeing this type of heavy rain. It's not the first we're seeing this type of flooded roadways. I know election is right around the corner, but I think, you know, a lot of work still needs to be done when it comes to our drainage, when it comes to roadways, because I'm sure with this type of rain, a lot of the roads is gonna just smash up again, and then, you know, it's gonna be a good while before they fix again. And then all we're gonna see is just pothole. So leave your comments, guys. This is a video that we want some comments that want to spark a discussion in terms of drainage, in terms of road works, because we know a lot of road works is happening, but can they handle these type of weather? You know, we're in the hurricane season. Can they handle this type of weather? Can they handle this type of this type of water? You know, are they making it up to scratch? So again, this is Molynes Road. I know a lot of persons also advocating for Molynes Road to be converted into 4 lanes, similar to Agda Park Road and Constant Spring Road. But I think drainage should be a major focus as well. And then the funny thing, you know, after this we'll hear that, you know, NWC, National Water Commission, doesn't have enough water, and there's a drought, and the dams are empty. But, you know, Jamaica, land we love, Jamaica, land of wood and water. There shouldn't be any way we're running out of water with so much water, especially in the rainy season. So this is another car, as you can see, broken down, can't move. I guess he just went through this deep puddle right here, which I'm now gonna force to go through so that I can reach my destination. Well, let's analyze it, guys. Anytime you're gonna drive through water, you have to analyze it, look at the depth, ensure that it's possible for you to go through. Yes, guys, so what do you think about the state of our roadways? Look at this. I'm a bit scared driving through this water, you know. But again, guys, leave your comments. This is a big van, so this can manage the water. But, you know, for cars and small vehicles, that's the challenge. You know, the drainage is very poor. It can't handle these type of rain. Yeah, guys, so let's spark a discussion. Jamaica roads, drainage, you know, water commission, you know, what are they doing with, you know, these water when rain fall? Because all these water is going to waste. It should be channeled into the dam. So this is the intersection of Waltham Park and Molynes. It's like a river. And then right in front of me is another very deep pool of water. Most pedestrians are turning back. Right, so when it comes to the dams, they need better catchment so they can channel the water to the dams. You know, all year round they should be at, you know, maximum if not full capacity. So it's very overcast. It's a rainy day. So this is one of the deepest puddles on Molynes Road. So as you realize, I'm not gonna go in it because if you can see that van, it's almost up to the door. Most vehicles are turning back. So the camera is blurring up a little, but most vehicles are turning back, are trying to find a detour. So I'll stay here just for a little bit with you guys. I am not gonna brave that water. I don't think I can manage it. So this is a truck that's gonna try and navigate. So this area, I've seen this being flooded multiple times, guys, but what has been done? Nothing. Nothing has ever been done to this area. This is one of the deepest flooded areas on Molynes because it's literally a ditch. So that's a truck, and as you can see, the water is almost covering the wheels. So you can see the depth. So most vehicles are turning back, as you can see. Only the bigger vehicles are chancing it. I'm not chancing it. So Molynes Road, and it's not only Molynes Road, guys. I know it's multiple roads, but you know, I happen to be on Molynes Road, so I'm just highlighting this. But with all the road works happening, the road expansion, I hope they're taking into consideration drainage to prevent, you know, situations like this. Because I know this road would have been constructed years ago. So all the upgrade they're doing, they need to take these stuff into consideration. So leave your comments, guys. Leave your thoughts. Remember to subscribe, like, share. And I'm happy to, you know, bring you guys this impromptu or, you know, this on the spot video because I was on the road. Alright, guys, so see you on another video. It may be a raining video, a driving video, a driving rain video. Could be a sunny day, who knows. But see you on another video. And again, definitely turn on your post notification bell so you'll know when I do an upload. Alright, so so that's a van, a 4x4. Change his mind. I guess only trucks are willing to brave it now. This is one of the worst places to shut off or stop because, you know, the vehicle would be filled with water. Alright, so a Toyota Vaxi was just braving the water. He made a U-turn, you know. So it's a lot deeper than you guys think. Very, very deep. So this is a taxi. I'm not sure if he will try to go through. But I'm sure if he tries, water will go in. And then we have a van. Let's see what the van will do. I think the van can make it. It's a 4x4. The wheels are very high. I don't know if you guys remember that song, one of the Hurricane Seas, Nobody Cannot Cross It, by Cliffy Twang. Nobody cannot cross it. the bus can swim. So the van went through. The water is right at the door of the van. Let's zoom in a little bit more. And again, guys, it's not only Molynes that has these issues. A lot of roads have this flooding issue and drainage issue that has never been addressed. So in the time of election 2020, these are some of the stuff that they definitely need to look at as well. So see you on another video, guys.